It's an adventure day. We are off to the Kuang Waterfall and the Free the Bear Sanctuary. The Kuang Waterfall and Free the Bear Sanctuary are 29 kilometers, or about a 45-minute drive from Luang, Prabang.
Bear sanctuary, a little information. What's your name?
My name is Ole.
And how many bears do you have in total?
Right now we have 44 of the Asiatic black bear, about 15 at our new rescue center. This sanctuary can house to 150 bear. I think they are only the first organization that start to help the bear in northern part of Laos feed the bear. So.
And they're also educating the local people?
Yes, we do. Yeah, that's my job.
Oh, it is. Good, good.
Here we have Jeff. Being a bear. Very rare species.
So if you want to get to the top, you have to climb this massive staircase. I hope you're in shape. What he said. It's a little bit of a workout to get up here. I'm hoping it'll be worth it. Let's go into the light, Sean. It's the top of the waterfall. Amazing. Feels like we are on top of the world up here. I think we can get higher. Check this out. This is much more my speed. The way down, way easier. Wearing my waterproof shoes would have been a good idea. It's late on our last night here in Luang, Prabang. It's after midnight. I should be in bed. We get back on the motorbikes tomorrow, which is awesome, but it also means that I have to pack up all of my shit, which is no easy task. If you look around, this right now is my reality. Kind of everywhere. So I need to put all of this into these couple of bags. I wish I could just snap my fingers and it would be done.